Yes, good evening, everybody. This is to illustrate how to upload course notes on Edmodo. My class is educators, lecturers at the Faculty of Education, University of Ibadan, Nigeria. The students have learned how to create Edmodo account, which they have done, and how to invite their students to join Edmodo. Now I need to put them through on how to upload their notes, their course notes, or their course materials on Edmodo. I'm going to use this class LIS 122 Information Technology as an example. So during this class, Information Technology, a video of the lecture was posted. This is the class. Sometimes last week, lectures of the class was posted on this platform through YouTube. Now, to upload the course notes after you have taught your class, you need to go to the start a discussion or share class or materials etc platform, whereby when you click you will be able to see this, and under that you see attach files and images. You see other ones like add from the library and also for formatting and schedule your post, but you pick the first one, which is attach files and images. When you click, it takes you to the location of the material. My materials has been saved on the desktop, and under that, on the lecture notes, under lecture notes I have information technology. So it is advisable to share PDF format. This one will allow you to have the document to the students in original format, because if you share on Word document, it may not come up like original. So let's click on this and you say open. So when you open, so you need to have some notes, like the note say greetings everyone, here is the note of our first class, and then you put the title. It's talking about the concept and also about the history. The concept, you can put number one, that's what the note contains. Number two, we talk about the history of ICT. So it has been uploaded.